strawberries. We have a lot of strawberries at home. Let's get arugula. Yes. Oh yeah, let's do collard greens. I like collard greens too.
Rushmore bloomsday.
I think this one is bigger. This is Rushmore.
You like that?
Yeah. Or this one.
Or
This is
big,
dark.
The big one, right?
This one is imperial green.
Yeah, tsaka lalaki pa yan.
Get this one. Different kinds of kale on the same. On one thing.
Yeah, garden blend.
Garden blend. Chinese cabbage is good too. We have choy here. Red choy. Still very small though. It has to be like kind of like this. And this broccoli too.
Yeah.
Purple sprouting broccoli. We are going to try to plant tomatoes. Tomato is already off season, but this variety is from Siberia, so let's try. We're going to try to plant this subarctic tomatoes if we can grow them. It's perfect on salad.
Yeah.
Veggies.
And sunflowers.
I think we need to get a snake plant because we don't have a snake plant anymore. You want?
Yeah.
Yes. We are checking the greenhouse. Oh, I like this.
Look at this. This is so
I like this.
big already.
Oh, we had that before. I don't like that. That's the rubber tree. Oh, it's expensive. 50. It's $50. 50 next time. We bought more plants. We are transitioning to our winter garden. This one is beautiful.
Yes, that one's beautiful. And I like the purple one too.
Everything is good.
Yeah.
Let's go then.
$21.99.
This one is really nice too.
Or even that, right?
Yeah. These are nice too. This one is difficult to grow.
Yeah.
We had that before. And it's gone. Oh, this one is smaller then. I'll probably grow big too. This one is smaller. 29. 21. Look at the pumpkin patch. Oh, I think I like this. Yeah.
Ayun, ganda oh, green.
Which one?
May pahaba. Bibili ka ba?
Not yet. This is what our neighbor has. The fire tree, I think. They have cosmos and they have zinnias. Oh, the pansies. I like the pansies.
This too. What is it?
Which one?
Which of the two?
Maybe that one because it has two, right? Two flowers. Do the zinnia. We'll get the zinnia here.
Yeah.
The zinnias. Yeah, but we have them already. Here's our plantain. Look at the flowers.
Veggies.
Here's our plantain. Oh, there's a butterfly. Here are the flowers and the vegetables that we got. So we have the cold loving tomato. And here's another one. And then this is, there's no label. Oh, here's another one. There's no label too. This one is pentas. We call this Chinese santan. And then the Pacifica apricot vinca. And then here we have, this is like an indoor plant, snake plant. And then the snow peas, Oregon sugar pad peas, and then the gorgeous zinnias. And then here are the vegetables. We have arugula, spinach, smells so good, spinach, Chinese cabbage, collard greens, broccoli, purple sprouting broccoli, these are gorgeous, and then kale. So let's plant the veggies first. The kale. So I'll plant the collard greens and then the kale. So here we used to have the tomatoes. Now I am going to put the collard greens on this side, and then in the middle would be those two tomatoes, since we have tomato cages here already. And then on this side I'm going to plant the kale. And then on this side we have this. The tomatoes used to be here too, but like we uprooted them already. And then the peppers are still okay. I still see some like fruits, the shishito, and then the yellow bell there. So I could not like uproot them yet. And then the eggplant too, they still have fruits. Oh, this is a June bag. See, there's that eggplant here. This is ready. And then another eggplant here. So I cannot uproot the eggplants yet. And there are like flowers, you see, a lot of flowers. So I'll leave them here for now. And then 1 second, I need to get rid of this. This is the one that is eating our figs. So on this side I'm going to plant the arugula, and then I will plant 3 collard greens there, and then the peas in here on this like trellis or like tomato cages. Plant this one. And then let's add like soil, new soil. And then I need to tie them on this like trellis until they crawl up. I have planted the vegetables. I just need to water them. I have those 3 are arugula. Just like water this side too. Those 3 are arugula, and then we have the peas here. These are peas. I'm going to tie them on the tomato cage later. And then these 2 are arugula, and then this one is purple sprouting broccoli, and this one is purple kale.